Hey guys, Christy here. I wanted to do this quick video because there's an app inside of Canva that can be really useful when you're needing to create images for your mockups. So it's called Design to Image. And what you'll do is you'll go into apps here on the left, and that'll take you to all your apps. You might just come here. I have it already saved in my apps, but what you'll do is look for Design to Image. So you'll type that in, and then you'll see this app right here at the top. So the reason I love this app here is because if you're ever making mockups for your digital product, printable, whatever it might be, the normal process is you have to download all the images and then you have to upload them back into Canva so that you can then use them inside of a mockup. So this helps to eliminate the one step of having to upload them back in. The only downside is that you can only do one image at a time. So if you have a product that has like 100 pages that you need to get mockups for, then it's probably not going to be great for that. But if you just have, 5 or, just a few, then it'll be perfect for that. So I want to show you how that works here. So what I'm going to do is click on Convert to Image, and then it's going to ask you what pages. Trust me, right now, it does not allow you to do more than one page at a time. You will get an error message if you try to do it. Even though it gives you the option to select all the pages here, it won't work. So I'm going to just say page 1 here. And if you wanted a transparent background, you could do that. But I'm just going to do regular PNG. Go ahead and export that. And then you'll see the magic happen. So there you go. There is the image now of, I'm going to make an extra page here so then you can see. So look, right there is the image that I just created. So now I don't have to download it and then upload it again. It's done for you right here inside of Canva. So it's a cool little trick, just something that you might find helpful when you're going to make mockups for your products, and it just saves you that little step. I'm hopeful that eventually we'll be able to download more than one image, because then it would really be a game changer. But still, it's a great little hack there. So I hope you found that helpful, and let me know if you try it and what you think. All right, talk to you later.